Wow. Wow. Oh my god, that is so shiny. About to keep those kissable lips kissable for Valentine's. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title, today's video is the February GLOSSYBOX video. If you haven't heard of GLOSSYBOX before, then this is a subscription box. You basically sign up to receive a box every month. It's about £10 I think, and I think there's a little bit of delivery as well. If you're interested in this kind of box, I will leave you a link below where you can purchase it. It comes with some very nice things inside, usually more than the £10. You get a few full-size products as well, which is really good. I've been getting it for a few months now and I can guarantee that it's really good. So if you like this type of video at any time, then please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button, and then you can be notified when I next upload. So let's get into the unboxing. So first off, obviously every box comes slightly different. Normally you just get a general sort of pink box, but then every now and again you get a sort of a different kind of box. This was obviously this one for February. I'll leave a little insert here of some of the other type of boxes that we've got over the last few months so that you can have a see. But in this box, obviously based on sort of Valentine's, it's got love on there. It's in a lovely pink colour. When you open it for the first time as well, you get a little booklet on everything that you're going to get inside. There's always sort of a ribbon of some sort. It's always matching the packaging and the tissue paper as well. And this is how it's been presented this time. All nice pink, pale pink items with white items, so it's all very sort of Valentine-y, which is really nice. So we usually get 5 items in the box, and this is what we got this time. So we're just going to go through and delve in and see what we got, and I'll read out as well how much they're worth. So some of them are generally makes that you've heard of before and usually quite more expensive, so it usually tells you in here how much they are worth. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go from the top here. This one is a lip brush. It's obviously in the lovely pink colour. This is an RRP of £5. Now if you remember, the GLOSSYBOX itself is only worth £10, so obviously this is half the cost already, so you've actually made so much on your money. So this was £5 if you wanted to buy this, but yeah, this is a lip brush, so really nice item to have. I haven't got one of those myself, so really handy. Then next up we've got here, this says St. Luke's lip liner duo. Now if I look in the brochure here, this should have been £23, so again your £10 GLOSSYBOX is really worth it. And inside here we have 2 little pencils. So these are lovely lip pencils, so you get one in like a reddy colour, one in a reddy colour there, and one in sort of more like a nudie pink colour, which looks really nice. Now they are sealed as well, otherwise I would swatch them for you, but they look absolutely lovely, those two. Really like that. Right, next up as well we've got the floss, which I haven't heard of before, the Floss brand. This is a lip gloss. This should have been £12.30. I'm not sure what shade we've got it in. In the book here it kind of says it's a full-size product as well. Oh, it's in a lovely shade. This is definitely my kind of colour. We'll probably go with one of, as you can see with what I've got on today, but we'll go with one of those pencils as well, as those lip pencils. So that looks absolutely lovely. It's actually a little applicator. Literally smells like chocolate. That is nice. Really like that. So that is that one. As I say, this should have been £12.30, and it is a full-size product. Sorry, the pencils as well were full-size. The brush is a full-size, which is really good. Then we've got this plumping and hydrating biocellulose lip mask. So obviously it's about to keep those kissable lips kissable for Valentine's. So we've got this, which is by Star Skin. This should have been £4.25 because it is a mini one. It's a deluxe mini, so the actual full-size one's at £8.50, but this is a deluxe mini. So this one's going to keep your lips feeling lovely. So it's literally like a little lip mask that you little pop over your lips to keep them hydrated. So yeah, that was that. That looks really nice. And then last but not least, we have this big box, which is a heavy box, which is the Figs and Rouge is the brand. And this is what it looks like, which looks amazing. Look at that. This is the Glow Elixir. Again, this is a full-size product, which is really good. Let's just have a look inside. That's basically, don't know whether you can see that, but it looks amazing. Look at that. So let's see how. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, that is so shiny. Talk about bougie or what? That is so shiny. I've already got a bit of highlight on already, but that, oh my god, that is amazing. That's probably the best highlight I've ever seen. Have I gone a bit OTT there? But yeah, I can look at that, how it catches the light. Love that, absolutely love that. That should have been £35. Oh my god. Love the packaging. The packaging is amazing. That is so nice. This is my new favorite highlighter. Check, see this side. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Figs and Rouge. What the hell? So lovely people, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, I've left everything in the description below. If you're interested in purchasing GLOSSYBOX, you can sign up to as much or as little as you want. So if you just want to get the first box and then cancel, you can do. Or if you want to just keep repeating and having it sent to you every month, and you can get to see what's in the box every month. That's what I like to do anyway. But yeah, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.